All right, new arrival, 1987 911 Hot Rod, built by the very talented Richard over at ROCS Motorsports in New Jersey. This is a factory black front and rear spoiler car. That is a factory spoiler in the back, but the front, of course, has been changed out to an ROCS style front bumper. It's a cool little splitter. And let's see, the color there is probably pretty close to Guards red. And you got the aero mirrors and the matching graphics, long stud conversion on the extra wide Fuchs, and this really cool cutout center exhaust for a little bit of attitude on the back there. And the interior, oh, also real quick while we're out here, the fenders have been pulled, and you can see the stance is real nice because it's got a KWV3 suspension. And the interior is all done up with RSA style door pulls, electric windows, and all the Redline products down there with a optimistic 10,000 RPM tach. But the chassis only has 45,309 miles on it. Got a pretty cool looking engine kill system there, also replacing the clock. Upgraded Porsche Classic radio, relocated, custom fabricated for the hazards in the rear defroster. And then that's a Wevo short shift kit for the G50, pretty cool. And the seats are like these custom buckets with corduroy inserts and the ROCS logo there. And then the motor is the very reliable, bulletproof 3.2 with a chip. So again, it is a 1987 911 Coupe enhanced by ROCS Motorsports of New Jersey.